My name is Fano, and if you're new here, this is a channel where I take high-level business ideas and make them possible for everyday people like you and I. So, with that being said, let's jump right in. Today, we're breaking down the genius and hilarious decision Discovery Channel made allowing David Dobrik to host an episode of Shark Week. To your average Joe, all this means is that we're going to have a super entertaining Shark Week this year, hosted by a group of wild kids that'll pretty much do anything to get a laugh. But when you pull back the curtain and take a peek behind the scene, this deal is one of the most genius marketing maneuvers in history for both David Dobrik and the Discovery Channel. While I can sit here and talk about the nerdy details of the strategy for hours upon hours, we're going to focus on uncovering the world of influencer marketing. And trust me, I use the same strategies to generate over $250,000 a month at 23 years old. You don't have to be a celebrity with an audience of millions to capitalize off of this trend. You just have to know how to play the game right. And I'm gonna show you just that in this video. Now, before we dive into the details of Dobrik's deal, it's important to know what influencer marketing is.
Oh, let me tell you all about this keyboard. Guys, check out Ghost Keyboard PewDiePie Edition. It's the best keyboard on the planet. Thank you.
Because in reality, it's a bit more complex than just connecting a product with some big name social media. What does it mean to be a true creator who earns a living influencing massive groups of people to buy into something? What's the difference between my mom posting a video and this lady on TikTok?
I'm savage.
Gassy, booty, watch it.
Jesus loves me.
And more importantly, how can a business owner expect to make money from these so-called celebrities? Well, your answer is right in the question. People that become famous online are literal influencers. They hold the power to influence their audience behavior, sometimes in the matter of seconds. YouTuber Jeffree Star was able to sell 1 million makeup palettes within just 30 minutes. But this kind of response is no longer limited to big players. At just 19-year-old, this entrepreneur sold out of her line of vegan skincare product to make $1 million in just 8 minutes.
You know, without my customers, I would have never been able to make $1 million in 8 minutes. Or the second time, make $2 million in 20 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Anything like that. These people are binding together who don't even know me, don't even know, they know a little bit about me, but don't really know my backstory.
So you see, the potential for insane results is there. You just have to know how to work the system. As a tool intended to make connections across the world, social media has developed the ability to reach mass market on a more personable level than any other advertising method. In fact, influencer collaborations have become so complex that many of us don't even realize things we're being encouraged to do. If you get what I'm saying, let's break it down. There are 3 components of successful influencer collaboration: a solid product, the right influencer, and a clear call to action for your audience. While it doesn't necessarily matter what each of these items are, the important thing is that they all relate somehow. Let's take a look at what these components are with the David Dobrik and Discovery collaboration. First, we have our product, which is Shark Week, our influencer David Dobrik, and finally the action, which is pretty much watching Shark Week. Seems pretty straightforward, right? Wrong. See, the beauty of this collaboration is the fact that there's 2 subjects being promoted at the same time. The most obvious being Shark Week.
It's Shark Week, isn't it?
Bet your ass it is.
Shark Week.
But the secondary product is actually David Dobrik's YouTube channel.
Hey.
Oh my God, you guys are Shark Week.
That's us, yeah.
Oh, amazing.
Thank you. We're on Shark. It's on Discovery Plus right now.
Wow.
This collaboration is so beautifully masterminded because while the average David Dobrik fan is not likely interested or even aware of Shark Week, they are the ideal demographic for the show. And once they're roped into watching Dobrik's episode, there's a great chance that they're gonna be motivated to check out more content of Discovery. See, the same goes for regular Shark Week fans that are now learning who David Dobrik is. Without being anything alike, these 2 platforms, Dobrik on YouTube and Discovery on TV, are match made in heaven because they hijack each other's audience and both get to increase their relevance. Now, a percentage of Shark Week's fans are David Dobrik fans and vice versa. In fact, as a Dobrik fan myself, I felt like I had no choice but to sign up for Discovery Plus so that I can watch his episode. And I have no doubt that there's thousands of others that did the same thing.
And I was so excited. I don't think I ever thought that I would be touching a shark. When you're doing something like this, like the best memories come from the moments where you're the most uncomfortable. And I think we all need to experience that.
And this is what a true influencer marketing looks like. Now that we know what an influencer collaboration is, we can go over ways that us regular people can create the same success as David Dobrik on a much smaller scale than one of the largest TV events of the year.
No way! This is sick!
So let's get into my 3-step process that's actually gonna help you jumpstart your business if you're even new to business or the online world in general. First, we need the subject. What are you going to sell? If you already have a brand to promote, awesome. But if you don't, you want to find a product that solves people's problem. Just scrolling through TikTok, you're going to sure come across quite a few of those things you need from Amazon videos.
Here are my top Amazon items that you didn't know you needed.
Which are the types of products that will do extremely well. And before you count yourself because you're not ready to buy inventory or thousands of dollars opening a business, there's a simple solution. Dropshipping. With this business model, you never have to buy stock ahead of time, pay for storing inventory, anything that would require lots of upfront capital. It's the perfect avenue for testing out business ideas without investing your life saving. The next thing you need is a website. The easiest way to do that is by signing up for a platform like Shopify and using one of the free templates to build your online store. If you want more details on that, make sure you check the link in the description where I show you step by step on how to do that. Then finally, the collaboration. These days, I do all of my influencer partnerships exclusively on TikTok for these reasons. The first one is there's a huge amount of relatable creators that go insane following virtually overnight. The chance of going viral is so much higher than any other social platform. And possibly the most important piece is many of these TikTok creators have no idea what their platform is worth. So you're gonna be able to get the biggest bang for your buck. One of my most successful collaborations only cost me $1,400 and brought in over $250,000 in sale. That's insane.
And she tagged us.
In 48 hours, we turned $1,400 to over $160,000, all thanks to TikTok. And I can only imagine what David Dobrik is being paid for this deal. But there's no doubt that he'll be getting even more value from basically hijacking Shark Week's viewers for his own platform. The moral of the story is that you don't have to be a celebrity or have millions of followers to profit from the influencer market. You can use influence of others to further your own success. If you're looking for ways to make your business known worldwide but don't have the budget to hire David Dobrik, partnering up with up-and-coming TikTok creators is the next best thing. That's all I got for you today. I'll see you in the next one. Wait, before you go, make sure you subscribe if you like this content and make sure you leave a comment with any content that you want me to make or any person that you want me to analyze. So, with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.